I'm going to eat microwave. Zack sack 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 sack. Yes. I ate microwave.
Oef, my mouth hurts. He ate microwave. And now my voice changed to Ruben Dutch. Now he can speak word.
I got rescued. Shadow Caillou. How dare you eat microwave? You know eating microwave cause burned your mouth and neck. And now your voice got changed. That's it. You're grounded at 9,857 years. Go to your room right now. And you never eat microwave anymore.
What's up?
Yes, I'll do the right to high school red.
Shut up.
I got rescued. Shadow Caillou. How dare you tell me to shut up? That's it. I'm giving your spank your back with my bat. You know what? That's it. I'm getting spank on your back.
He got rescued.
I got ice cream red.